Tilted Towers 200X maximum multiplier unless we hit a double. Oh, okay, let's wait 5 seconds. If it don't fall, we redrop. 5, 4. Okay, it's not dropping. 3, 2, 1, whatever.
Here, you know, actually loving me, but there's a song there. We got a 5 with a 50. It rolled 3 times a session. We got Cash Hunt with a 20X.
Good luck. Cash Hunt with 10X on top slot. There's a question in the chat from Triple B. Cash Hunt with 10X on top slot, guys.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Itch on my neck, I started scratching it, and there was a zit, and I think I scratched it with my nail, and now it hurts bad. Long time no see, bro, Jimmy. Hey, Mr. Agui Rudy. What up, brother? How you doing? How you doing, brother? Habara. Zing, 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 bing, bing, bing. Zing, 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 ding, ding, ding. Dang, 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 ba, ba, bam. The dealer gave their best to give 9 bonus. Suddenly, it will break by controller. Crazy time gets a 4X. We get a pachinko. Redemption time? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Last pachinko was a 5X, baby. This pachinko is going to be at least a 7X, okay? And I can promise you that because my name is Timothy Chalamet. This is the puck. Let's get into it, shall we? Starting off with a 5X. At least a 5X it is definitely being 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 200, double. A 208 double on the same board. Drop me here. Drop me in Tilted Towers, baby. I want to go Tilted Towers 200X maximum multiplier unless we hit a double. Oh, okay, let's wait 5 seconds. If it don't fall, we redrop. 5, 4. Okay, it's not dropping. 3, 2, 1, whatever. Wakey, wakey, eggs and banky. Let's do a little redrop here, ladies and gentlemen. Which one is shining? This one, right? Yep. Okay. We go 3, 2, 1, boop. Okay. Come in for the clutch. Come on. You got this. You got this, puck. Hoppa! Hey, vamonos, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Timothy. That was a 200X from the Pachinko 1627 winnings. No need to thank me. No need to thank me. But do thank me. Oh.
How long is your session today? 1 hour and 20 minutes long. Cash on, please. I would love to get a first cash on of the session, to be honest. I would love to. 5X on the cash on. Well, that would be a perfect time to get a cash hunt. But we got our first pachinko. Woohoo! Finally we got a pachinko. I imagine Lucas fell down somewhere here. 2X is the lowest possible multiplier. 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 200, and a double. Alright, 200X is on the line, guys. Alrighty, good luck. Go right, go right, go right. Yes, very corner, 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 corner. Yes! We got 200X from the pachinko. Woo! Hey, 2,814 winners. My God, let's get 124 winners. You want to take a rest forever. Like, I just don't want to work. That's all. You know? I just don't want to work. I would love to be a housewife. Yeah. That's what I want. To be a housewife. 5X TOPSLOT on a crazy time. Now that one we can catch, right? Right. Crazy time for a 5X TOPSLOT. time to open the red door. Place your bets and let's go with another spin. 50X cash-ons. That would be great. That would be great. $5X TOPSLOT on the cash-ons. Come on. Now, give it now. Finally, we got a cash hunt. Here you go, another big win. Probably a third or fourth big win of the session, guys. And look at the board, so many 100Xs. Oh my god, 5X TOPSLOT on top of it. Wow, so many 500Xs, guys. Like, you've got a really high chance to get that big win for yourself. Okay, but like, be prepared, guys. I mean, there's a lot of 500Xs, but you got one chance, one opportunity to get the 500X for yourself. Go for it now. You can let auto pick choose for you as well. Okay, I'm watching. Where are you going? 1, 8 to 5. I'll go 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 75. Okay, look at those 500Xs. Most of them were right next to me. 260 of you did get a 500X. Ah! Well done, guys. Congratulations on your wins. And welcome newcomers to Crazy Time. Place your bets. Don't forget that autoplay option is available for you. You got the 500. Oh my. Well done, guys. I got 75X. 75X.
What happened, Crazy Time? It rolled 3 times a session. We got cash hunt with a 20X, guys. Come. Hey, yo, stop. Let's freaking go. There's a top slot. Let's get Anita Max win. Anita Max win. Okay. Now we're cooking with fire, guys. Now we're cooking with fire. Are we ready? Are we ready to go, guys? It's gonna be the highest one. Show me. Okay. Boom! 500Xs. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's go. Alright, let's get it good, guys. Come on. Take a long, good time. What the hell? No way. Yes way, man. Yes way. I would probably go... I don't know where I'll go. Make a decision now on your target, or it will be automatically set for you. So you can either leave it up to chance or to intuition. But with the 20X, it's pretty good odds to hit something juicy regardless, huh? All right. How many of y'all got a 500Xs? Come on. Tell. Do tell. 2000X is oi. Congratulations to the 1800 winners. Nice. What is that? 500 was the lowest one? You got 500. Nice. Mellow. Nice. Who got a 2000? That's good to hear. That's good to hear. You know, that you love me, but there's a song there. We got a 5 out of 50. Come on. Yeah,
That's the top slot, everybody. Let's go! Woo! 740 winners right there. Top runners SK Kurawan and BD right there. Congratulations for that beautiful round. Cups are open, please.
Good job, congratulations, Vasilis. Looks like a Shrek. Somebody once told me. All right. Whew. Good luck. Cash out with 10X on top slot. Anyways, bro, yeah, well, yeah, that 200, that double, Guys, what do we say about this one, huh? What do we say about cash on, everybody, with 10X on top? Woo! Can we get some noise in the chat? All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Well, first of all, we got to check our base multis. What do we got? 100 is the maximum possible one. I mean, 10X applies right now. Check this out. Poof! Makes it. 50X is the lowest one. And 1000X is the highest one, guys. Best of luck, everybody. Let's make a little mix. A little shuffle here. Wow. What a start of this session, guys. Insane. Ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that all of you are going to hit that 1000. Come on. Come on. Let's make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, decision time is all yours. Feel free to pick to choose to decide. I guess I better be quiet at this point, because we're in a very serious moment right now. Anyway, feel free to decide how do you think where's that 1000X is hiding. But keep in mind, if you're not going to choose anything, just some random spot is going to be chosen for you, yeah? You ready, guys? Time for reveal. Where's that 1000? I don't see it. There it is. All right, congratulations, everybody. I really hope that all of you had some juicy winnings. Let's get back to the main game. 4,966 winners in total. Hell yeah, got the 398,000 euros win. Last cash hunt, 1000X. We had 10X on a top slot. Out to pick 500X. Let's go. Good luck. This is actually also like a great proof that out to pick might be also good. Alright, guys, coin flip with 4X on the top slot. What do we got? We got number 1. Bam bam. What it is, 3,557 winners in total. Her Majesty got a top winner with 600 euros. Good job, congratulations. Alright, let's continue. Last Pachinko, 10X. 10X the last Pachinko was. Moving on. Good luck. There's a question in the chat from Triple B. Catch on with 10X on top slot, guys. That it was 500X, but got 70X. Sir, feel free to ask. No way! No way! No way! What's going on? I mean, guys, is that a cash on with 10X again? I mean, feeling red already. Like, what? Huh? Guys, I guess the same situation out here. 100X is the highest one. 10X applies, everybody. Woo! Makes it 50 as the lowest one, and 1000X is the highest one. I mean, let's give it a little mix. Little shuffle right here. Wow. What? We never had that before, guys, for real. We never had that before together. Wow. What are the odds? That's insane. Okay, guys. Decision time is all yours. Feel free to pick to choose to decide. Let's give it another try. I mean, let's go. Let's go. Wow. And exactly 10X. I just okay. Just go for it, guys. I really hope the whole gonna get the juiciest 1000X. Where is it this time? There it is.
And Brawl for top winners. Congratulations. Betting time. You have a big bonus for, and everyone will be happy. Guys, that's all you care about. You happy. What about happy Elvis? Don't you want me to be happy? Good luck. Pachinko 3X. Get you a new job. You got me a new job? What kind of job? Wow. I mean, Pachinko is on fire with 3X top slot multi. Hey. Well, it can either be good or not. Could be 15X. Could be 21 or 30. Okay, 20, 20, 35. Go higher. Got 200. Could be 600X. Come on, 100X over there. 200X there. Let's... Well, they're all yellow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're dropping it right here, guys. Good luck. 600, come on. Go. Hey, we got it. 600X multiplier, yes. 3,700 winners. What a win. Betting time. Baba, Lava, and DJu, top winners. Congratulations. Oh, yeah. It was only 3X. And we got it. Bro, good luck.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.